RDDT stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in the space having done 47,000 videos over 5 years because I have all the proof of seeing what's printing me money. And we were pretty much on the verge, like very close to buying. This is the reason why I had this waiting text. I wanted to see a double break. Got the first one, phenomenal. Never got the second one, which actually turned out to be nice because I would have been wrong. Right, and this is why I like my strategy, because without a proper shift and a double break, not looking to buy. Currently we are kind of melting. It's kind of like butter, bro. This is really melting. I would only really buy Reddit the moment I start seeing a proper, like, proportional double break accumulation, or we'd see breaks above 231. As of now, the only thing I can do, and I hope it wasn't like this, but the only thing I can do is just wait. I know, it's just tough, but it is what it is. Sometimes pickers are going to go down, and unless I see a proper accumulation or just steps of the Wyckoff accumulation, I'm not buying. So if you want to get stock picks, emails, and insights for free, click the first link below. See you in the next one.